your boy, Shadow Angel, and today we are here with a reaction video. We are going to be reacting to HARDSTOP Lucas when your stomach growls during a test. Now, I have to admit, this has happened to me before, and I remember it being so loud to the point everyone in the whole classroom looked back at me and was like, "You good?" And then bro, my friends started offering me some snacks. I was just like, bro, I don't want any. I wasn't hungry that day. I ate a lot at lunchtime, but still, I wasn't hungry earlier. So this is gonna be interesting. We're gonna see what's up, and we're gonna react to it. We're gonna have a good day. So what we're gonna do. All right, let's get into this video.
I'm not playing these games. I don't know why, but my eyes burn. Did you try blinking? No. What class you learned that in? Oh, hey, Kevin. Hey, what's wrong with you?
Nothing. I'm fine. I just got a headache.
I mean, did you
That
eat
would be
breakfast?
me.
I was in a rush to leave out, so I didn't get a chance.
Nah, I wouldn't
Well,
rush.
if you're hungry, I got snacks in my bag if you want some.
I appreciate it, but nah, I think I'll be fine. It's just 3 more hours.
This
until
literally
my
what
check.
happened.
All right, don't say I didn't offer.
My eyes! Just closed them. Damn!
All right, my beautiful students. Today's y'all favorite time of the month, test day. We're gonna get started early today. Y'all already on y'all desk. When I say start, you may flip them over and begin.
What the hell are you doing? I said when I say start. Start.
Start. He said start.
Oh, we starting it?
Mm-hmm.
No! What are y'all doing?
So no then?
Until I say the word, I don't want to hear any talking or noise of any kind. If I hear anything besides those pencils and that paper, we're going to have a problem. Obviously, I'm not in the mood for it today. Do we got that clear? I said, do we got that clear? Yes, whatever.
All right then. You may all begin. So do we start it? I don't think so. He didn't say start. Start. There it is.
See? That's what we was waiting for.
So Fred, look at.
I'm sorry, you're going to have to keep it down. I'm trying to do my test, and you're being very inconsiderate right now.
Ew, the nerds. Sorry, I'm sorry. No offense.
I think I'll take those snacks now. Too late. Already gave them to Gina.
Is she eating spaghetti, a biscuit, and a whole Domino's pizza?
Who keep making these noises? Don't let me find out who it is. I know y'all know, but y'all not telling me. I said no noises. I meant no noises.
Bro, Gina's over here eating a whole Domino's pizza.
Okay, well, it must have stopped. Okay, well, everybody get back to work.
Okay, who is it? Steven? Whoa, don't look at me. I heard it coming from Kevin.
So I've been sitting next to Kevin this entire time, and I got 100% say it can't be him. Well, what do you have to say about this,
Yeah,
Kevin?
the nerd got him.
To be honest, I think
No
it's fine.
offense.
I think it's Gina, to be honest with you. Yeah, I can agree on that. Yeah, she's been kind of sus. Very sus.
Gina is eating she's eating
What you
Chick-fil-A?
got to say about that?
Bro.
Well, I guess that says it. All in favor to kick out Gina? Yeah.
I'm going with it, too.
Stay calm as I grab your leg. It wasn't me.
Don't you lie to me. I know it was you. Who are you talking to like that? Oh, are you getting smoke with me? Oh, I think you are. Oh, I'm not playing these games. Okay, so now it's finished. Now y'all can finish y'all test with no distractions.
Damn.
Look, y'all only got 20 minutes left.
This nigga yeeted his man out the classroom.
For me, please.
Why they do him like that? Oh.
Oh no.
That was a funny video, bro. I'm telling you. Bro, go follow this dude on TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat, and Instagram. He's very funny. I've been watching him for a long time now. It is... bro, I've seen him on so many channels. King Vader, Netflix, that one time. You know, they're growing. YouTubers, seeing YouTubers, popular YouTubers, you never thought would ever make a video together, come together and make a whole video, is like crazy, because it's like you never think that those higher level YouTubers would know about the low levels and would bring them up, and then they would be up with them, like grab their hand, pull them up. Like, it's perfect, you know. So yeah, this was a good video. And put in the comments what video you want me to react to next, and I will surely do that. All right, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have a blessed day. And as we are, Slayer Gang out.